anything.
That's a pretty sweet jump there. You should jump it, Steve.
I'm not gonna jump that. Has the sidewalk always been here? I wouldn't jump it.
Oh God. That's pretty big. That's a pretty big jump.
Remember last time? No, the pond, the water's still over there.
Is it? I don't know if it is over here.
There's a little bit of water over there.
Oh God. Some of that sand is dicey. Oh God. Oh yeah, you're right. Totally hitting your shin on these things suck dick.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all super dicey over there.
Not bad though. It's like super soft dirt or sand.
You should totally roost your tail. That shit's fun. That's so fucking awesome. That's so fun. You're recording?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh God. We're gonna get in so much. Like, we're not gonna get in trouble over here, I don't think. But... Alright, yeah, don't eat shit, but. I don't know, some of those snake turns up there were kind of fun. Oh, you're going up okay.
Oh man.
Oh God. That was fun. I enjoyed that. Do you want to go back that way through the neighborhood, or do you want to go back through it again?
No, I could totally go through it again. I was just gonna go like down there, come across here, go down and go back over there.
Cool, that works for me. Gotta be careful on the descents and.
This is just like such a fun area.
Right?
Well, I definitely think these tires handle better the deep dirt.
Oh, totally. I've like almost ate it a few times, but not quite.
The rooster tails are fun.
Right. Those are my favorite. I was trying to dig myself a hole, a deep enough hole I can just like park it in. It's kind of fun. That was great. I thoroughly enjoyed that.
That was a lot of fun.